Welcome for having us.
Thanks for coming. Today we're going to be making veggie aloo samosas.
Wow, so we have a lot of ingredients. Could you give us a little run through as to what we have here?
Potatoes, ginger, onion, garlic, the spices, green peas, flour, and of course, blue band and golden ray margarine.
Nice, man. So Sarah, let's get into it now. Let's get started.
Let's go.
Okie dokes. Sarah, tell us what we're going to be doing now.
We're going to be making the dough with flour, salt, and blue band margarine. Can you add the 2 cups of flour for me?
Butter, of course.
And a ½ teaspoon of salt. A 1/4 brick of blue band margarine. It's written on the wrapper.
And of course, folks, you know you're going to get all your vitamins A, D, and E. No trans fat. 100% vegetable oils in this thing, man.
Now we're going to mix it together. Now that we're done with the dry elements, can you add some water for me?
But of course.
Just bit by bit while I'm mixing until it gets soft and smooth.
Nice, man. You're a real mixologist, boy. Look how your fingers work in this flour thread.
Well, the blue band is really making it nice and fluffy.
Hey, I told you it's 100% vegetable oil in here, so the thing gonna be creamy and nice.
Okay, so now that it's into a nice smooth ball, we're going to leave it to rest for 30 minutes. Now that it's rested, let's divide into individual balls and roll flat and cut into semicircles. So now that we're done with the dough, we're going to make the filling.
Alright, well let's get cracking, man. We have quite a few ingredients to put in here.
I'm going to add a 1/4 brick of blue band margarine.
Nice. Oh, hear that sizzle now, man. I love to hear my pot ball at me, you know.
2 teaspoons of golden ray. Stir until it's melted.
Nice. I love the way it sizzles in a nice hot pan, you know. You hear the pot all in the name, you know.
Can you add some mustard?
Of course, actually I'm going to add all the spices.
Cumin seeds, garam masala, turmeric, and a little salt to taste. Now I'm going to add the onion paste.
Alright, it's all coming together real nice, man. The flavors, man, they're actually exploding in the pot here.
It smells really nice. Let's add the mashed potatoes. And stir until it's evenly spread. The peas. And last, the lemon juice.
Alright, to give it a nice little zing. This is filling. I'm watching it's so easy and well prepared, man. Home cooking made easy. This is what it's all about here with us. And we know we tell you already with the blue band and the gold and ready thing going to taste real nice.
Now we have the semicircle. I'm going to dampen the edges with some water. Fill, fold into a cone, press the edges with water, and now we're ready to fry.
Folks, so our veggie aloo samosas are ready. And we must say much thanks to Sarah for having us here.